Omo Abuja don turn festive ground right now. Say VDM just talk say I dey come Nigeria back from China like dis come see pipu dey just dey book flight from everywhere, Port Harcourt, Lagos, all road dis to Abuja right now. People are waiting the king, the president, VDM right now. Good things are happening. The only thing that is happening right now is that VDM is coming back to Nigeria and everyone, Ratels are there waiting. With the look of things, everybody knows that we are not there for violence. If you see what everybody is saying, the message is just crystal clear by the Ratels that we are not here to cause violence. It's a very simple thing. So except the government or the DSS want to blow things out of proportion just to make something out of nothing, except that, but with what I'm seeing right now, guys, we are good to go. Nigerians are waking up. And guys, let's go into the video in full. Guys, remember to subscribe, like, share so that every other person can see what is going on right now within Nigeria, as Nigerians are not joking anymore. Ratels are everywhere. And guys, believe me, Nigeria is going to turn for better this day, because we are going into the realm of revolution.
Yeah, I'm going to Abuja to welcome my brother from another mother. DSS. Don't play. If you play, you're gonna learn. You're gonna learn the hard way. Don't fuck with us. We are too big. Alright, about what you're going. So Tinubu, today you will understand how they welcome president with integrity. It's organic law, you don't understand. Abuja, about what is coming. Abuja, above going up.
And for the record, to know the importance of VeryDarkMan, most of us, we don't even plan to come Abuja before. Everybody they pull up. We won't come welcome our king. We they come welcome him. But in case they not allow us welcome him, we go come welcome the people. When no grimo welcome man. Stay active. 3:30, 3 o'clock, they go airports. You don't understand? As I talk to you now, more people are coming. And as I talk to you now, more people they come. People they book flights, they come. This is how we value the guy. Now how we carry this guy matter for head. Like what they say gala. Because we know the impact this guy has made. Only few days when this guy did talk about insecurity, the whole country they shake. Only few days. You can't buy him. You can't stop him from talking. His confidence is 100. But he use his own hand, carry flights, post time, say see the day when they come. If I want to carry me, when I can carry me. Just imagine, which politician will fit do that thing? Can you do it? You will fit. They born you well. Which politician will fit game and say, do you have that kind of confidence? People like us will know the value when the guy be. We not go use and play. Our parents failed. I said this thing yesterday. Our parents failed us. Important people when they say they're supposed to stand with them. And then they carry them, they go to them, go fall down. They look. You see, we are not going to fall down. We are not trying that nonsense. The youth of this generation, we are wise up. We don't see cases, plenty different cases where the people when they speak, we're ready to bring change to the country. And I'm glad that the youth now, when they not done the wise, when I don't the get sense, when I don't the active, we must protect VeryDarkMan by all costs, by all means, by all necessity, by all literacy, by all any English that they speak up. We must protect this guy. We deal with our 100 plus, 1,000 plus. Because we are not going to fool ourselves like the way others, they allow all those our other parents fool their savior. Imagine say the way they protect VeryDarkMan now. Now so they protect Fela, Now so they protest for kind men for inside the country. It is in Nigeria go worse like this. This one we don't wise. The Nigeria government, we don't wise. I heard they tell you now. You don't understand. If hair come off for a body, if fly touch am, everywhere go blow. Obviously, that math. Experience is the best teacher. People who experience it and you will feel it. We are not here to joke. You don't understand. Thank you very much. 3:30 with the maths.
Okay, good morning everybody. So this morning I want to talk to the DSS and the President of Federal Republic of Nigeria. I want to share a story with you guys. I believe you all know KP Sharma. He was the Prime Minister of Nepal. I believe you guys know the story. What happened? So some persons feed him with wrong information about the youth. And you know, all these governments that are bad, they always look for a way to shock the youth. So they believe that social media is one of the tools the youth use in exposing their evil deeds. What did this man try to do? This man tried to shut the youth off by banning social media in the country. Social media, you just say, we don't want again in our country. What happened? It leads to the removal of the Prime Minister. It cost him his throne. People buy, let me tell you, this Gen Z generation would they verse. So my advice to you, because I know some of them, mostly this DSS, majority of them don't get sense. Majority of them, their brain lock. Because my encounter with them, I was just looking at the one that is interviewing me. I said, this guy is completely stupid. Senseless set of people. Majority of them senseless.
A normal day, today's supposed to be public holiday because a lot of people will come outside and say distraction. You see this very distraction, now Ratels, now we won't cause them. Because up until yesterday, VeryDarkMan still spoke about insecurity. Up until he started speaking about this insecurity thing, he did not get this level of voltage. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying every other voice be not the lie. God bless everybody that has been lending their voices. God bless all of you. Now no spoil. Because collectively now we go make him right. But leave him until he woke up and said, I am dedicating my voice, my time, my life, anything around me right now to talk about the insecurity in Nigeria. It be not day like this. And he say all the Ratels mount everywhere, mount your guard. None of they let them know say they need get their PVC. But you see this man when they come back today, where I know say some careless content creators. Let me tell you one thing that will make me always know that VeryDarkMan is always ahead of you people, better than you people, is because your talk, your content that you do ends with just talking. Many of them never even come outside to go protest before, but everything you do ends with talk. You sit at the comfort of your home on your ring light, and all you do is talk. But VeryDarkMan is an impact. You ask yourself, who be this guy when he be like saying just they come and men they mount? See people traveling to Abuja like say that they do congress, abi he get party where he want to inaugurate something. Flight ticket don't skyrocket to almost 300,000 naira for economy. So they go check flight ticket. Even aviation don't see a venue to take even rip Nigerians. I wake up say make I just follow book my flight yesterday, oh boy, see where flights they go. I say no, make I stay here. I'm still celebrating him. A very big shout out to all the Ratel leaders, Ratel members that took out their time to go to Abuja. God bless all of you. May they welcome our president, our chairman be that, the voice of the people be that. This is somebody that has given hope to a lot of hopeless people. Me, they call VDM hope. I don't know why he named Martins. His name supposed to be hope because that guy they give hope to people. God bless you. You deserve every celebration you're getting. If people figure the man's guard, when Pella came to my state, see the way they go man's guard for him. That celebrity and like just they do it, but this is somebody that is giving hope, changing the lives of people. They build road, school, borehole for waiting government supposed to man they do them. Recently, somebody reached out to me to build a borehole and a toilet for a particular primary school, courtesy of the VeryDarkMan effect. And you think this guy does not deserve all the love and support you are giving to him? Are you not a witch? Bring up your distraction content. He's feeding you too. Without him coming back from China today, what would you have posted? Baba, no worry, who don't big. Everybody in a voice, so but inside voice day.
Alright, so gutter cleaners don dey enter plane o.
Two efulefu don dey enter plane o.
The two big mumu don dey enter plane o.
Ndị don dey enter plane o.
Shey you understand? VDM boy dem don dey enter plane.
Ndị arụrụ ana, ndị oshi na ndị ama don dey enter.
You know say we be thief, we don dey enter plane.
I wey ndị oshi na I dey go
Una go cry tire. VDM boy dem don dey enter plane. What can you say again? Abeg, any insult wey we no remember, write am for comment section. Shey you understand? Alright, so Abuja, we are here. You know? What's good? What's the location? That is active. We no come here, make we come find trouble. Shey you understand?
The VDM is coming back today from China, and a lot of the Ratels, they are in Abuja to welcome him. I will tell you for free that the guy deserves the welcoming. The guy deserves the welcoming. A lot of Nigerians, when I won't say Ratels, a lot of Nigerians are there to welcome VDM. The guy deserves the welcoming. He deserves all the love. That guy has done well for Nigeria. It should be noted that not that people are going there to stop the government from arresting VDM. The truth is that we cannot stop the government to arrest VDM at the airport. But if the government decided to be stupid to arrest an innocent person, they might not like the aftermath of their decision. But let it be out there that we are not going there to stop the government. We are not going there to fight the government to do what they think to themselves is right. The Ratels are not going there to stop the government. The Ratels are going to the airport to welcome their president. And the Ratels are not going there to stop DSS for arresting him. The Ratels are going there to welcome their president. But if you, as government, feel that you are so stupid that you don't know the right thing to prioritize, it's an innocent person that you want to prioritize, you can go there to act, to do your stupid thing, and the aftermath, you might not like the aftermath, because all what we need in Nigeria is peace. You understand? It's peace we need in Nigeria. The best people you're supposed to go after in DSS and security agencies in Nigeria, we have a lot of insecurity happening in Nigeria already. Those are the bandits inside the forest that's causing havoc in the country. And those people they are not supposed to go after, not the innocent VDM where they expose on a corrupt system for the country. Let it be out there again that we are not going to the airport. Ratels are not going to the airport to stop you DSS from arresting or inviting or whatever people want to claim to do. People want to do to VDM. We are going there to welcome Ratels president. It's a man who have done well for the country. A man, a very good man who have done well for the country. We are going there to welcome him. So if people are stupid, like I always use the word stupid, if people are stupid, you want to go arrest him, people can do your thing there. But the aftermath, people will not like it. That's the truth. People will not like the aftermath. Thank you.
Men call out for VDM, make I no lie. Abuja like this, Abuja airport don't choke like this. Men mount for Abuja airport. They wait for VDM to just arrive. VDM is loved. VDM is loved more than your pastors. VDM is genuinely loved more than your presidents. VDM is what? Is overloved. Genuinely. And why they tell us say VDM na necessity. So DSS not put body. You don't understand? Not put body. Men man for Abuja. And then they play Ratels. More Ratels na movements. I swear down. Now funny enough, you say men will not even make out to Abuja. Everybody mounts their state. Like this na Potako mount. Lagos they mount. You know, Benin mount. Delta mount. Everywhere for Nigeria mount. Just the wait when the president arrived. This has never happened before in the history of Nigeria. Check out. Why? Love. Why? Integrity.
Why? Truth. When you speak the truth, new people will fall in love with you. Now only haters and useless people and jealous people, and them will they dislike you. VDM is loved. Presido, will they wait for you? You don't understand. Abuja everywhere choke like this. Everywhere choke. And then they play peace and love.
Now our Presido VD, so we no get another one. Where are my backup singers? I want to be seeing it on the comment section. Once I say now our Presido VD, so we no get another one. Yeah, so our able Presido will be landing today in Abuja. And as you all know, Abuja will be crowded. This is organic love. They need to buy them for markets. And now, why am I making this video? Maybe everybody they come out there today to welcome Presido, get good intention. And now if you follow for this set of people, we get bad intention, stay for your house. Because you go regret them. Not allow them send you, not allow them use you. Stay your house. Because you go regret them. Man. You understand? Stay your house. Don't say I don't want you. And now to the DSS, I don't say I don't do that stupid to arrest VDM. Because he did nothing wrong to you guys. Nothing. What is his offense? He did nothing. So I get work for now. And I'll help me hold banner. I get big banner where I print and I'll help me hold down.
Now for the record, let it be on record that today Mantis Vincent Ose, aka VeryDarkMan, aka the president of the Ratels movement, aka the king of transparency, aka the father of all father, aka the king of hope, aka the people's president, aka the Ratels president, aka the king of truth, aka the man for all, aka the man of truth, is coming to Nigeria today. Let it be of record again that the people or the coordinators or the movement of the Ratels, they are all in Abuja waiting for the arrival of this great man, of our president, of our king. Oh, let it be of record that everybody waiting for their president, who is Marcus Vincent Ose, aka VeryDarkMan, they are people of honor. They are people of love. They are people of truth. They are not people of violence. They are people of peace. You know why? Let it also be of record that they want to show the world that this is how you welcome the king. They want to show the world this is how you welcome the man of hope. They want to show the world this is how you welcome the people's president. They are there in Abuja to show the world that this is our president. Also to the Nigeria DSS, let this be on record that all we are doing is for a safe passage for our president. That's all. That's all. We are not there to cause violence. We are not there to cause havoc. We are not there to cause chaos. But all we are there is to welcome the president. It's to tell the president you are welcome. It's to show love and support for the president. That is all. That is the motive. No other motive. Also, let it be on record that all these things we are asking for are for love and peace. Otherwise, una go what?
Tomorrow, una go learn new thing and una go learn them the hard way. Don't play.